If you know that you are right, you are in your own path, right path, then nobody can stop you. Go ahead, become a successful person in the world, because there are many people who want to grow up for their family, their emotions, their boyfriend or girlfriends always fail you down because they don't know what you are, what your struggles in your life, what you do. You know your happiness, you know you. Choose you in above in all earth, because if you are happy, then you can make other happy. First of all, be choose yourself. It's so important for your happiness, for your success. It's depend on you. That's what you show to others. Your friends, your family don't know your emotion, what your thought, what your dignity. But you have to choose yourself first of all for your happiness. It's always important. The important things is only you. There is nothing just importance than you. If you are happy, then you always make other happy. If you are sad, then you think it's only trouble you, not others.